day, sir.
Where's the harvest?
I'm sorry, sir, but there are none.
You and your woolly excuses. I'll teach them. I'll teach those damn pelts.
What now?
It's the sheep. They're not providing. We can't allow this. They must be put in their place.
I see. We'll have to make an example out of them then. We wouldn't want the others to get out of line.
No, we wouldn't want that at all.
Then go.
Know your place, pelt!
After the diversion, we'll have a very short amount of time to access the barn. Any questions?
Can't wait to get back at those dirt snots.
Let's make this our home, once and for all.
I'll make a rug out of you.
Fire! Fire! Take this, you mud sniffers!
So the errand comes. So what, he didn't have the hoofs to come here himself? Or perhaps he knew there's no point to it.
My brother may have temporarily halted your operation, but it is mine to end it.
End it. Ha ha! The arrogance of the long manes. Moo!